warm welcome to all of you to another episode of Storynama. I have come today with a very interesting story. This story from ancient scriptures is going to tell us about the equality of male and female gender, and it is going to convey a very strong message to all of us. It will tell us that the synergism between the masculine and the feminine energies is very important to maintain equilibrium, balance, and harmony of this universe. It is only and only when equal importance is given to both male as well as female genders that the equilibrium will be maintained and the creation of the universe will go on without any chaos. So, the title of the story for today is Ardhanarishwar, the confluence of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. The confluence means the coming together of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati to attain the Ardhanarishwar form. Lord Shiva had many devotees. Saptarishis were staunch devotees, and Sage Bringi was one of them. His day started only after circumambulating Lord Shiva each day. One day, when he came to Mount Kailash, Lord Shiva and Parvati were sitting nearby. Sage Bringi ignored the goddess and went around Lord Shiva, and then he left the place quietly. When Goddess Parvati saw this, she became a little irked, whereas Lord Shiva was amused. He was amused because of the silent war which was going on between his wife and his devotee. And then the next day, when Sage Bringi came, Shiva made Parvati sit on his lap, but Sage circumambulated around the legs of Lord Shiva after transforming into a mouse, and after that, as usual, he went his way. By now, Goddess Parvati had lost her patience, and in the state of agitation, she requested Lord Shiva to make her an integral part of himself so that no one would be able to differentiate between the two of them. Then the divine bodies fused together and the Ardhanarishwar form came into existence. When the sage came, he again circumambulated around the body part representing Shiva, and this he did by transforming into a bee. Ultimately, next day, Ardhanarishwar form of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati sat in Siddhasana. The whole body became symmetrical from head to toe. And when Sage Bringi came, he had no option but to circumambulate around this form, that is the Ardhanarishwar form, which is the representative of the unison of Shiva and Shakti together. So, dear friends, the Ardhanarishwar form conveys to us that Lord Shiva and Goddess Shakti are one. There can be no Lord Shiva without the goddess, and no goddess Shakti without Lord Shiva. The Ardhanarishwar form gives us a very powerful message of the equality of two genders, and it emphasizes the importance of the maintenance of harmony and equilibrium between the masculine and the feminine energies. And this equilibrium is important for maintaining balance in the entire universe. So, this was the take home message for today, that The equilibrium and the balance between the male and female genders should not be disturbed, it should be maintained, and we should all keep on practicing gender equality. That's all for today's episode, and I will be back very soon with another interesting and engaging story from our scriptures, which will make us learn something new and something good. Bye for now.